Every lithium battery begins with a hidden mineral beneath Earth's silent deserts. This mineral-rich brine begins a journey measured in patience. Sun and time slowly concentrate nature's valuable resource. Every sample confirms the quality hidden within the brine. Some lithium is carved directly from ancient stone. Every powerful machine prepares the ore for refinement. Precision begins long before batteries are ever assembled. Carefully prepared material waits for the next industrial step. Accurate loading protects both quality and efficiency. Every shipment begins with strict industrial standards. The road to modern energy starts with every loaded truck. Thousands of kilometers connect raw resources to technology. Every movement is documented before production begins. Efficient transport keeps global manufacturing moving. The journey continues toward the heart of manufacturing. The world's most advanced factories await their essential material. Here, raw minerals will become the power behind the future. The next chapter begins where precision manufacturing takes control.